5 on my side, I'ma blow the bitch. Glock 9 tucked on my ride, I ain't showing shit. Big guns, big drums, bitch, we unloading shit. If you want smoke, put it in that throat, bitch, we ain't ducking no beef, we ain't vegan, ho. Talking that shit, but in public, don't see lil' bro. Bitch, I be serving them packs, now he need some more. And I walk through with designer like a CEO. CEO, big boss, bitch, you can't fuck with me. I be in the back of the room with a tux in me.
Give it a 45. This is my 40.
Automatic, finna air this bitch out. One wrong moving, yo ass get low down. Ayy, shoot up your spot, make you get out your house. Ayy, find your new crew, move that bitch out of town. Yeah, stop at that red light and get a few rounds. When them hollow points hit, your little face get chewed out. Ayy, counting my cash and I'm smoking these blacks. I got racks on my ass, I know that for a fact. We got Max in the back, serving pay today. And I don't fuck with racing. Can't catch me like I big 4-5 on my side, I'ma blow this bitch. Glock 9 tucked on my ride, I ain't showing shit. Big guns, big drums, bitch, we unloading shit. If you want smoke, put it in the 30, tote the bitch.
Three, 2, 1. Big boss, bitch, you can't fuck with me. I be in the back of the room with a tux in me. Automatic, finna air this bitch out. One wrong moving, yo ass get low down. Ayy, shoot up your spot, make you get out your house. Ayy, find your new crew, move that bitch out of town. Yeah, stop.